Do you want to gift yourself some special things in this Bengali New Year? Now everybody is working on a virtual office, but everyone needs to remember the dates, right? So today in this video I am going to show you a super fun and amazing calendar making ideas which will help you to boost your art and craft ideas. And if you stay tuned till the end of this video, I am going to share with you how you can give these to your special ones also. Hi, if you are new here, welcome for simple and cute paintings and mandalas. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and new video will come to you every week. In this video, I will show you how I have prepared a cute Bengali calendar with paintings. You can do it also for your English calendar. As Bengali New Year is coming soon, so I have made this. And also, সবাইকে জানাই শুভ নববর্ষ. Enjoy this year. I have to do 12 paintings for this 12 months of 1 year. So I have decided to divide it in 3 parts, and I will upload it like part 1, part 2 and part 3. To make this, you need only some papers, colors and pen, and whatever you will use the color on, that's why you need some material. Like if you use watercolor, you need brushes and water and also watercolor, and if you use pastel color, then you only need some pastel colors. Okay. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please give a like and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you very much for tuning this video and for watching this till the end. Guys, if you like this video, please do a like and also share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to make this easy, and let me know in the comment section how it works. If you like this or not, and how was the final. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.